When everything seems to be going wrong, problems pile on top of problems, and the glass half empty kind of feeling starts taking over, a high-proof cocktail can provide some solace. Today, we're making a high-proof tequila old-fashioned. This cocktail is strong, dangerous, but yet somehow comforting. And this is exactly what we need sometimes. Using a high-quality tequila is essential. I'm not talking about something expensive, but I'm talking about something more artisanal. In this old-fashioned variation, the tequila remains the star of the show. It's a great opportunity to source a bottle of Tapatio 110. It's one of the best tequila blancos out there that achieves a balance of high proof and very distinct flavors. The agave, orange bitters, and lime are just there to accessorize and complete the look.